Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another code point video for you guys. So let's dig into the video. What to do if our images are not working in Google Chrome? If you add a tag over here of img src, image src, and all over that, and it's still not working in HTML, what to do? I'm gonna walk you through every single step what you have to do in that case. So let's dig into the video. If you add a tag over here, image source equals oops, and we're gonna add our image link over here. Okay, now what to do in that case is you have to just if you have downloaded the image from Google, you have to just do two steps. One, find that image in Google, and second, just right click on that image and click on copy image address. Now don't do copy link address because it's actually going to take you to the website which is providing this image. Okay, once you have done copy image address, you can just minimize Google and you can just paste the link over here. And once you have done that, you can save it, Control S, and you can come to Google, and here you can see it's working for me. But what to do if it's still not working for you? If you have saved that image, like if I save this image as, I don't really know, so I'm just gonna save it as it says. And then what you have to do is you have to just locate to the folder where the image is. Like I'm gonna locate to downloads because that image is on downloads, and you have to drag that image to Google Chrome and press enter, and here's the image. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just copy this entire link over here, your link, and once you have copied it, you have to just paste it right over here. Once you have done that, press Ctrl S and come to Google Chrome, and here you can see that the image is working now. If that has solved your problem, then there you go, your problem has been solved. Okay, hopefully this video would be helpful for you guys. So just a small part of how to add what extensions are used in VS Code. So let's start. So if I come to extensions over here, and if I do community and material theme, there we go. And if you install it, I already have it installed. Once it's installed, you have to just click on set color theme, and you can choose any of them, but I really do ocean one. But in more of, I did theme ocean high contrast. Yeah, because I like this one. The second extension I use is community icon theme. Icon, yep, over there, material icon. Install it, and it's gonna give you some icons like this. Once you have installed it, oops, there, yeah. Just click on set file icon theme, and once you have done that, you're gonna see some beautiful icons like there. Like that, I should say. The third extension I use is prettier. If we search up here, prettier, here we go. And if we install it, what it does is actually makes your code look more pretty. Okay, so if you read the documentation over here, it says prettier formatting for Visual Studio Code, and what it does is actually makes your code look beautiful. Okay. Imagine if you have done some mistakes in there. Now it's not going to correct the errors you have done in your code. It's actually going to make your code pretty. Okay, it's just not going to do anything else except for making it pretty. Okay, the fourth extension I use is live server, and I also use live server in my videos, so you have seen me using live server too much in my videos. If you click on it, and once you have installed it, what you have to do is you have to reload your Visual Studio Code and come to your file of HTML, and right click and click on open with live server. Once you have done that, it's going to open you in the live server. So what it does is actually, if I edit anything in here, in my code editor over here, okay, if I just come up here and if I add a h1 tag, and if I do hello, okay, what I have to just do is I have to press Ctrl S over here, and it's gonna change the things over here. Okay, what if I do here Ctrl S, if I come to my browser, and if I just see, there you go, we got a hello tag over here. So it actually, you just have to do save it, and that's it. Once you have saved it, it's actually gonna make changes through to there. Okay, once you have done that, that's the extensions I use only. Okay, hopefully the video was helpful for you guys and you learned something from it. I'm gonna see you in my next video with another interesting things for you guys. So till then, bye bye.